In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix wrong post count on Instagram. So the first thing you want to know is that you might actually just needed to update your Instagram. So leave Instagram, go to Play Store, search for Instagram here. And here check if it needs updating. If it doesn't, then you're all good. And hopefully this should fix your issue, but if it didn't fix it, you might want to try going to the phone settings and then search for apps. Click on apps, and inside of apps search for Instagram, and here you want to clear the cache and data. So go to storage and clear cache and clear data, delete. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your images or videos in Instagram. So after you do this, you want to test it and see if the post count has been fixed. But if it hasn't been fixed, then you can do this one last option here, which is leave this and just delete and reinstall Instagram, and hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.